So good day guys. Today I am going to show you on how to add and manage your team members and user permissions in Zapify.io. First, let's go to settings and select my stuff. I'll select my stuff here. Let's wait for a while. And from here, you can now uh, add employee and fill their name, email, and role. You can also assign permissions based on what they need access to admin, user, or custom. Also, the team members will receive an email invitation to join the sub account. So, user, so here you can also fill up their names, email, phone, can assign their roles, okay, roles information, and that's it.